What's in the box? I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dashcam specialist. And this is the VIOFO A229 dual channel dash camera. So, what's in the box? First things first, we have a front camera. The front cameras all come with the GPS adapter, which is built right into the mount. We have a front camera, which you can actually change the angle on. On the side here is your power connector. On the other side, we have the micro SD card input and your rear camera input. So, right here, here's your rear camera cable. It's very small compared to a lot of the other manufacturers on the market. So it makes it a little bit easier to run than some of the other cables. And that goes directly to this rear camera, which is meant for the interior. And you can change the angle just like so. Also have a little trim tool. So if you are doing it yourself, this is just a little adapter that allows you to run the wires and sneak them into those little crevices. For your adapter here, it's for the cigarette lighter plug-in. It's got two USB inputs. That way, if you plug your phone in there all the time, it still allows you to have that option. So all you do, plug this in, run that right up to the dash camera, and boom, you got power, just like that. Last but not least, there's a little micro SD card adapter, so you can take the SD card out, plug it right into your computer. Comes right in the box. Now, additional accessories that do not come in the box at all, but are available. Polarized lens. We have 64 gig and 128 gig cards from VIOFO available for purchase as well. And if you want to utilize parking mode, last but not least, the HK4 Hardwire Kit.